Hello everyone and welcome once again to my kitchen. In today's recipe we are going to make shito, and I did it in a different way and I hope you're gonna like it. So just grab a apron and let's get cooking.
Dawn paints gold on the mountain's crown, while rivers whisper truth as they flow down. And their songs entwine with the trees that stand, knotted in time by nature's hand. Each echoing step on the forest floor opens a world through an ancient door. The silence alive, yet brimming with sound. In the arms of solitude I am found. Oh, whispering pines, sing me your tune. Caught in the rhythm, the stars and the moon. Teach me the language of rustling leaves, stories that linger on the breath of the breeze.
And our shito is ready. I hope you love this recipe. If you do, just leave your comments below, and thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Say hello to healthy hair. Find all you need for the perfect hair routine with our hair care products. Our specialized complete hair washing kit, beard growth oil, dandruff treatment oil, and extra hold gel works wonders. Order yours now. Available now in the UK and we deliver worldwide.